Hi, I'm Hannon from Sheet Leveler. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to collapse and expand the ribbon in Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Perfect when you want more screen space. The fastest way is to use a keyboard shortcut. Hold the Ctrl key and tap F1. The ribbon collapses, giving you extra workspace. Press Ctrl plus F1 again to bring it back. Method 2. Look in the lower right corner of the ribbon for a small arrow. Click it and select Show Tabs Only. This hides the ribbon but keeps the tabs visible. To bring the ribbon back, just use Ctrl plus F1. Method 3. Double-click the tab of the ribbon you're currently on, for example, Home or Review. Double-click again to expand the ribbon. This works on any tab and gives you a very quick way to toggle the ribbon on and off. Notes for Word and PowerPoint. These same 3 methods work in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. Ctrl plus F1. Ribbon arrow. Double-clicking a tab. No matter which program you're using, these tricks give you extra screen space instantly. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified when I post new videos.